You can now send listings via text messages. After conducting an online search for your clients, select which properties you would like to share with your clients by clicking on the box on the left-hand side of the search results. You can also choose all by selecting the box in the top left corner. Select Share, then select Text. Then select the contact that you would like to send the listings to by clicking on the magnifying glass on the right-hand side. Then click Save. You can choose a primary phone number associated with the contact, or you can add the contact's mobile phone number here. Select the box next to the phone number, choose the phone type, and select Send Message. If you haven't saved the contact information, that's okay. Instead of clicking on the magnifying glass, you can select Add Contact. Enter the first name, last name, email, and mobile phone number. Click Save. Select the phone number, and then select Send Message. And now you know how to text listings to your clients.